You are now looking at a 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLA 200. There's quite a few of them. And in these videos, because we thrive on random information, we thought we'd help you if you're stuck between the choice of a turbo diesel or turbo petrol Mercedes-Benz GLA. First of all, may I just exclaim what a wonderful problem you seem to have, not being able to pick between the two highly efficient motorizations of a new luxury crossover, which must qualify as one of the ultimate #first world problems. The quick answer, in my ongoing effort to fight clickbait, would be the 200D. The reasons for that are simple. It has superior torque, superior average fuel consumption, slightly superior performance, and hence superior efficiency. But wait, before you stop viewing and ready your digital signature, I need to claw back some brownie points for the petrol's better power and substantially cheaper asking price. At the time of composing this video, around mid-2025, the base price of a GLA 200 turbo petrol is about 840,000 Rand, while its GLA 200D turbo diesel twin costs roughly 892,000 Rand. I said base price because it excludes the optional service plan, plus I'm yet to find a single new Mercedes SUV that hasn't been absolutely plastered with pretend AMG bits. It's easy to understand that phenomenon, as the general public seems to prefer go-faster bits and hard sportiness on their new rides, and the local retailers are simply following current market trends. I'm also quite sure that an overwhelming acceptance of fake AMG models makes it easier to order vehicles in bulk from the overseas factories. Here in Southern Africa, Mercedes-Benz only ships their entry-level SUV with front-wheel drive and the subject of your agony, a pair of jolly impressive turbocharged inline four-cylinder engines. These drive a fast, albeit nervy DCT with 7 gears on the diesel and 8 for the petrol. The 2-litre turbo diesel is certainly the brawnier of the two, as it stems 110 kilowatts or 320 newton meters against a curb weight of 1620 kilograms, while the 1.3-litre turbo petrol can deliver 120 kilowatts or 270 newton meters to counter its 1490 kilogram heft. The 1.3-litre Renault-Nissan Alliance engine even has a 10 kilowatt electric helper to bridge any potential power gaps. Mercedes-Benz South Africa claims 0 to 100 in 8.6 and 8.9 seconds respectively, as well as top speeds of 208 and 210 kilometers an hour. All of those figures have negligible differences, unlike the claimed average fuel use from the 42-litre fuel tank. A GLA 200 alleges 7.3 litres per 100, while a GLA 200D claims just 5.1. For most buyers, that spells pretty much game, set and match for the 200D version, especially if you plan on spending countless long-distance constant RPM miles behind the wheel. But I implore any potential buyers, especially those living at coastal altitudes, to also give the 200 petrol a fair chance around their village. It will always eat more fuel than the turbo diesel, but it can still be a wiser choice for those who hardly do any mileage, as petrol is still cheaper than diesel, and anyone with an aversion to tractor noises emanating from a shiny new automobile. In the GLA 200D's defense, though, it is jolly quiet for a turbo diesel. So which one will it be? Well, you're quite snookered looks-wise. Despite looking absolutely identical, the only clue as to which type of fuel is powering your GLA would be a glance at the tachometer, sneaky peek under the bonnet, or an early morning startup. Hand on heart, it never annoyed me at all. And if you think that one of them has better specs, more leather or fancier airbags than the other, you'll be sadly disappointed yet again. Their standard features may leave plenty of room for comparative and expensive improvement, but they include every contemporary safety, convenience and luxury trimming that we've come to expect from a pavement SUV. Both of them have fairly firm rides, something produced by the sportier suspension setup and ridiculously low-profile tires, which you'll also find with almost all their competitors. Yeah, you can probably pick up that the diesel is slightly more nose-heavy and initially sluggish to respond, with the more limited RPM band. But if you gave me the choice right now, as a leased company car offer, I honestly couldn't tell you which one I'd choose. If I had to cross countries on a regular basis, it would be the diesel, no question. But the few thousand Rand I've saved on a petrol GLA could be spent on the options list, or at the fuel pumps. Each new Mercedes-Benz GLA sold with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and 5-year 100,000 kilometer maintenance plan, in a choice of 7 exterior and 5 interior colors. Thanks so much for watching.